Matcha isn't just for lattes. It turns out it's a really great skincare ingredient too. That's why today I'm going to show you some of my favorite beauty products that contain matcha. Now, before I talk about matcha and those beauty products, have you subscribed to our channel? Make sure to hit that button and like this video. Now, let's talk about matcha. It's basically a powdered form of green tea and it's chock full of antioxidants, so it has a ton of health benefits. For your skin, it fights free radicals, so it reduces and prevents sun damage, while it also reduces the signs of aging. Now, let's get into the products. First up is this hand cream from Naturopathica. It uses matcha and Indian gooseberry extract, which helps brighten your skin tone and reverse the signs of aging. It also helps stimulate collagen production to keep your hands looking youthful, while it also makes them feel super velvety. Next is this cleansing bar from Skin Owl. It's a face cleanser in bar form that takes advantage of the antioxidant benefits of matcha. It also contains cocoa and shea butters to moisturize, and olive and castor oils to smooth. To use it, soak the bar in warm water, apply the lather to your face, and rinse. And then there's this balm from Lena Hansen. It's a treatment that uses matcha and other ingredients like 24 karat gold, coffee, and pearl to nourish dull and uneven skin. It's especially great to use in wrinkle-prone areas like the eyes and neck when they need a little more moisture. I also like to use it as a highlighter on days when I'm not wearing much makeup. It gives a beautiful, dewy glow. We also have this cleanser from Fairy Organic. It uses the antioxidants from matcha and micronutrient-rich seaweed along with other ingredients to gently cleanse your skin while fighting the signs of aging. And last is a matcha face mask you can make yourself. All you need is a teaspoon of matcha and a tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply the mixture to your face and let it sit for 10 minutes before you rinse it off. And those are just a few products that contain matcha. Tell me in the comments below if you love any products that contain matcha, and don't forget to find us on our private Facebook group. It's called Beauty and Wellness Questions Answered. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and watch this next video.